A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. So this is a sad incident. An accident happened. Pachidhori chaMbuya neHANDA in Harare. And as you can see right here on the screen, on the picture, this is probably a Honda Fit. And as you can see right above that Honda Fit, Pachidhori chaGogo neHANDA, and it's a sad situation. We just pray for the victims. We are not so sure about any casualties, but this is what has been reported by Kenny Mandebo. So Team Zimbabwe, let us continue to be careful when driving, especially in the roads of Harare. In the roads of Zimbabwe, let us be careful, because my drivers they no longer respect the rules of the road. Especially these days with the era of mushikashikas. Let us be safe. Let us drive safely. Anzi panapa sacrifices anzi pasi pambuya mama one. Okay. And the Toyota Wish drivers are pandemic. Is this a Toyota Wish? Maybe. I'm not so sure. In Rona's Honda Fit. Okay. And the rate at which drivers run red lights, they ma one. Yes, I agree with Changara here. I suffered the same fate at a certain point in time. And the Gavasatura neHANDA uyo. And those traffic lights are confusing, to be honest. Yesterday I saw a near miss. Okay, very confusing. True that two Emma pedestrians at Toriwes coma. Okay, and I just passed by and I was trying to figure out what happened. I hope there were no fatalities. This place has the most confusing traffic lights and markings. Yes. Okay, hopefully no lives were lost. I say, how exactly does it happen? Kuti, a car can be almost have its wheels up in town pakadai. Yes, that is a very important question. Speed ya jenge kambomira zanzambia watsamwa kuti mukuchema queen. Okay. Speed yacho anushotenge akaonda zvakaita sei to an extent of having something like this. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I love you. Oh, thank you very much for the support you have been offering us. Let us continue to subscribe, to like, comment, and share.